Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Tuesday, May 8th. I thought I'd just kind of check in, give a little update of what's going on here lately, which isn't a whole lot. Uh, right now, I'm downstate Michigan, in and around the town of Lawton, Michigan. We're kind of at a little lull right now. We're in between contracts. We got some things to polish up and pick up before before a little more work kicks up here, a little bit east of us. That little hot potato job that I was talking about, which is alive and well. It's not as easy as starting and finishing a job, boom, like that. We're talking about some specialized material. Everything's been hashed out, materials on order. We're actually looking to get a jump start on that, that little high-end job Thursday. Well, in the meantime, we're abiding by this week with all the guys. Cleaning trucks, equipment, organization, maintenance, the list goes on and on and on and on and on. It won't be long and we will be starting that Chicago job, possibly in a few weeks at best, and then back down here to Southwest Michigan for another very healthy project that we're about to start. All right, I'm gonna give you a little list here and show you, kind of show you our tools and equipment that we use to put the jobs in. I'm basically just gonna show you construction equipment, trucks and boom trucks, and kind of show you what it is we got going. Right here you're looking at a simple tag trailer with a we did get this brand new John Deere 410 backhoe. That is a phenomenal backhoe. Absolutely love it. It's an absolute power horse. We picked this up for convenience because by God we needed it. I think we picked this up a couple of years ago. This is Peterbilt. It's just a single axle dump trailer. This thing is worth its weight in gold, and trust me, it's already paid for itself. We do a lot of trenching and digging, in a lot of tight spaces. So therefore, of course, the 35G John Deere Mini X is sitting on one of our tilt deck trailers, which is hooked up to one of our 450 Fords utility trucks with a fuel cell on it for a little convenience. You know, you get way in the backwoods, you need fuel. Don't get me wrong, we haul around the yellow diesel cans, but that gets kind of old sometimes. All right, we just got this, we just got this a week or two ago. This is a brand new F350 with high rail gear on it. This truck is capable of being put on the rail, obviously. This is a pure utility truck. This truck is not designed to haul our Mini X's around or any other kind of trailer for that reason, especially legally as far as being plated. This is a full and simple utility truck, which is going to get its workout. All right, now we got this probably a couple years ago. This is an F550 Ford. This is our bucket truck. This truck and this bucket setup is phenomenal. I absolutely love it. Lots of utility boxes on each side. This truck itself is also worth its weight in gold. It just does a great, phenomenal job. And one of the most important tools we have on our job here is the Peterbilt boom truck with the Cormac crane on it. It took all of us a little while to get the liking of this crane. I'll be honest with you, when we first got it, I hated it. Couldn't stand it. Mainly because I'm one of those people, I'm sure there's a lot of you as well, if you're not used to something, you don't care for it. You don't want it. But it does a great job. It's a great setup. We absolutely love it. This is set up with high rail gear as well, which we don't use hardly often at all. In fact, you can see the high rail buggies. The wheels are rusted, which is okay. I don't think we set this thing on the rail more than 20 times in the last 5 years. The high rail bucket truck, the bucket truck has got high rail gear on it as well. So what you're not seeing is a couple of F-150s reserved for you know, run around foreman trucks. You're not seeing a 350 that we've got, which is basically a workhorse foreman truck as well, to haul around cable, reel trailers and whatnot. What's really funny about this, if I was to take this video just 1 year ago, this would have been probably a 1-hour video showing you all the equipment. Reason being is we were beefed up to no end to do the notorious Downstate Michigan project, which spanned 140 miles. We had 6 different gains going. It was just mayhem. It was the greatest mayhem you've ever seen. It was a great project, great people. The list goes on and on. What I'm trying to tell you is we had 4 backhoes, 6 Mini X's with all the trailers, 2 of those boom trucks, and probably 20 vehicles or better. So yeah, with the workload that we have coming up, we are going to need some more equipment. It's just a matter of a phone call. I really hate to put it that way, but it truly really is. We work for a company, thank God. I work for a company, thank God, that believes in you have to have the right tools to do the job, and of course that means equipment. I don't know other way to put it than other than we have the clout to go ahead and get what we need to properly put the job in. Like I said, we had 6 times this equipment to do that huge Michigan job, but the job ended, which they all do. The contract ended because we finished it, which was just phenomenal. That was a huge undertaking. About damn near killed me. But anyway, yeah, so of course we have to downsize. We sent a lot of equipment other places around the country to support other projects, basically because we didn't really need everything that we had. And we also did some liquidation. In fact, I did a video not long ago about south of Chicago. We brought some equipment to a Ritchie Brothers auction. So we take extremely good care of our equipment, as you can see. They always stay very well maintained, very well and proper operated, and clean, as you can see. That's kind of the name of the game. Treat it like you're making payments on it, and you'll never hear anything from the superiors, right? So anyway, it's kind of a hot bugger of a day down here, folks, southern Michigan. I don't know what it is. If I'd have to guess, I'd have to say about 80. If not 80, pretty damn close, but it feels a lot warmer than that. I am singing the blues a little bit that I need to be home and I need to be in the field, but you know what? That's coming sooner than later. It's just one of those things you got to deal with, and you know, what are you going to do? That's about it. I got all the big wheels are showing up here tonight. They're all coming in from corporate headquarters, and yeah, to kind of polish off and keep going on with safety week and everything else. So anyway, folks, just wanted to check in and hope everybody's doing okay, and we'll talk to you sooner and later. Have a good day.